It's 7 p.m., January 1st. You told yourself this is the year you achieve your goals. You've made the resolutions, set the intentions, but something always seems to hold you back. What if I told you there are 8 steps to unfuck your brain and truly change your life?
Wait, seriously?
Yes, seriously. Anyways, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you 8 powerful steps to reset your mind and get on track to achieving your dreams. Let's dive in. Step 1. Acknowledge the problem. First things first, acknowledge the problem. You can't fix what you don't recognize. It's like trying to navigate through a maze blindfolded. You need to see where you're going to find the way out.
There's no way out, Ellie.
Think about it. What's been holding you back? Is it procrastination? That sneaky thief of time that keeps you scrolling on your phone instead of working on your goals? Maybe it's self-doubt, that nagging voice in your head telling you that you're not good enough. Or perhaps it's the fear of failure, the paralyzing thought that you might not succeed and will be judged for it. Take a moment right now. Close your eyes and really dig deep. What are the thoughts and behaviors that are keeping you stuck? Picture them clearly in your mind. Now, open your eyes and grab a pen and paper. Write down everything that comes to mind. Don't hold back. This is for your eyes only. Be brutally honest with yourself. Writing it down is powerful. It takes the swirling thoughts in your mind and puts them into tangible words. It gives you clarity and a starting point. This is the first crucial step in taking control of your life. So what's on your list? Is it a long one? Or maybe just a few things that seem to have a big impact? Recognizing the problem is empowering because it means you're aware and ready to take action. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and this is yours. By acknowledging what's been holding you back, you're already on the path to unfucking your brain and creating the change you desire. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Now that you've acknowledged the problem, it's time for step 2.
It's time.
Practice mindfulness. This might sound like a trendy buzzword, but mindfulness is a powerful tool that can truly transform your life. So, what exactly is mindfulness? It's the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Let's be honest. How often do you find your mind wandering? You might be at work, but your thoughts drift to your plans for the weekend. Or you're having a conversation with a friend, but you're mentally replaying an argument you had last week. Our minds are constantly jumping from one thought to another, rarely giving us a moment of peace. This is where mindfulness comes in. By training yourself to stay present, you can start to notice these distractions and gently bring your focus back to the here and now. It's like building a mental muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. And trust me, even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Next up, set realistic goals. This step is crucial because it turns your big dreams into actionable plans. We all have those lofty ambitions, whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or getting in shape. But these big dreams can feel overwhelming if we don't break them down into smaller, manageable steps. So how do we do that? Start by thinking about your ultimate goal. Now, imagine the journey towards that goal as a staircase. Each step represents a smaller, achievable milestone that brings you closer to the top. This way, you're not just staring at the peak and wondering how to get there. You're focusing on one step at a time. That way, you make the process less daunting and more manageable. What's one small thing you can do today to get closer to your goal? It's essential to make these steps specific and measurable. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Don't get discouraged if you encounter setbacks or if things don't go as planned. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you might need to adjust your goals or the steps to achieve them. That's perfectly okay. The key is to stay committed to your overall vision, while being open to change and willing to adjust your plans as needed. So, what's one small step you can take today? Think about it, write it down, and commit to it. Step 4. Develop a routine. Our brains love consistency. Create a daily schedule that includes time for work, rest, and play. How can you structure your day to make it more productive? Embrace positive affirmations. Replace negative self-talk with empowering statements. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I am capable and strong." How do you talk to yourself throughout the day? Let me know in the comment section below. Step 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Reach out to them more often. Take care of your body. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Are you eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep? Small changes in your physical health can lead to big changes in your mental health. Finally, seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in asking for support. Whether it's a therapist, coach, or counselor, getting professional guidance can be a game changer. Have you considered talking to someone about your struggles? Anyways, there you have it. 8 steps to unfuck your brain and start living the life you want. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can make it happen. Which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.
Bye.